Today we are gonna fix Facebook not showing new posts problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to pin the most recent feature to the home page. To do this, we open Facebook, then click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. After that, click on Settings. Select Navigation bar, and then click on Customize the bar. We set feeds to pinned. After doing this, we close and reopen the app. In this way, we have pinned the feeds feature to the home page. By clicking on Feeds, we can see the most recent post from the accounts we follow. This concludes the first solution. Now, let's proceed to the second solution. The second solution is to log out of our Facebook account and then log back in. Sometimes, such bugs can occur in applications. Logging out and logging back in can help resolve this type of bugs. To log out of our account, we click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Then, click on Log Out. We have successfully logged out of our account. I encountered this error, and you might face it too. If you encounter this error, simply close and reopen the Facebook app. As you can see, we can now log back into our account. After logging in, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to completely uninstall Facebook and then reinstall it. We do this because some files in Facebook's data might have become corrupted. By uninstalling and reinstalling, we attempt to resolve the issue. To clear Facebook's data, we open Settings and then click on Apps. After that, click on Manage Apps. In the search bar, we type Facebook. After doing this, we click on Storage. Tap on Clear Data and then on Clear All Data. We have cleared Facebook's data. We return to the App Info section and uninstall Facebook. Facebook has been uninstalled. Before proceeding with the reinstallation, we restart our device. After the restart, we open the Play Store. Enter Facebook in the search bar and install Facebook. Facebook has been installed. You can now check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.